So now guys, let's turn on all three engines and roar. So what is up people, badass bullet here baby. Okay. So guys, if you see, there are 3 Royal Enfield Classic 350s.
Trapping out the band.
All 3 are BS4 editions. So this is my bike. So this has a short bottle silencer on, and that has Dolphin silencer, and this one has a Motor Torque launcher exhaust. So let me tell you about the costing of these 3 exhausts. So the Motor Torque launcher, which I'll be showing you now, is costing approximately around 4,500 to 5,000. And the short bottle which I am using is just 900 rupees, and it's legal. And these both bikes are not legal because the exhaust decibel limit is more than 80. So I'll be showing you how much the decibel limit is. So guys, this is the Motor Torque launcher exhaust. So this comes with a chrome finish at the end, which is metal, and then this is all painted black. So let me start the engine and show you the sound. Coming to the internal structure of this silencer, it doesn't have any filters. It's having a ceramic wool coating inside. So guys, now let's see the short bottle exhaust. So guys, this is the short bottle exhaust. So if you can see, there are 2 filters. So can you see this deflection? It's not seen in the camera, I guess, but there are 2 filters, one here and one here. So guys, as I said, this is legal, so police won't catch you. Even if they catch, you can show the decibel level in the app, so which I'll be doing in the last. So now let's go to the Dolphin exhaust and see how it looks and how it sounds. So this is the Dolphin exhaust. So there are different companies making the Dolphin exhaust, but this Dolphin exhaust here costs 8,500. If you can see the width, it's really big. So this again will be having a different sound. And guys, many people will be telling that there's a mileage drop because of the exhaust. That is completely false. Exhaust doesn't affect your mileage at all. So if you see, I have tested all the mileages. It's approximately 32 to 35. So that's it. It's not going to reduce. If you do all these pataka and if you fiddle a lot with the exhaust, then the mileage will drop. Otherwise, the mileage is going to remain constant. So guys, now let's check the decibel level of all the bikes. So we are going to use an app which I downloaded from Play Store. So that will decide which is legal. So idle conditions. So guys, if you see, the average is 70.4 at idle conditions and the max is 81.6. We should consider the average alone. So now let's rev and check the decibel level. So guys, if you can see the average is alone 82 and max is 84. So guys, average is just 79. So that too when I revved it too much. So guys, if you see the average, it is 82.0. After testing all these 3 bikes, this is the loudest bike, which is having the Motor Torque launcher, and second loudest would be the Dolphin exhaust, and the third will be the short bottle. So guys, which exhaust do you like the most? Please comment below. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This is Purushottam here, and this is Ragasundar. Thanks a lot for helping me.
Yo. Hey, idudra.
See you.
Katra.